I asked you, are you waiting for somebody? I asked you a lawful question.
That's a lawful question?
You cannot loiter on the corner.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story is a quick video submitted by a viewer named Michael, who in December of 2018 was standing on the sidewalk waiting for a taxi to pick him up and transport him to a doctor's appointment. Suddenly, 12 uniformed officers of the East Orange Police Department pull up in 3 separate vehicles.
What do you need? What do you need? What do you guys need from me? Why am I standing on the corner? I'm not standing on the corner. I'm waiting for something here.
Yeah, listen.
All right, that's what
I'm Sergeant Williams.
Okay.
You can record all you want.
Okay, of course I'm going to record.
You're on a corner. I asked you, are you waiting for somebody?
You say I'm on the corner. Where am I on the corner?
You on the corner. You just
like I said, I'm waiting for the cab. I'm waiting for the cab.
You didn't say you was waiting for a cab.
Yeah, but you asking me questions for what? I'm 40 years old. Why can't I answer you?
You can be 40 years old. I asked you a lawful question.
That's a lawful question?
You cannot loiter on the corner.
I'm not loitering on the corner. I live right here and I'm waiting for the cab.
Okay, go where you live at. You cannot loiter on the corner.
Oh, man.
Where you live at?
Sergeant Williams erroneously claims that he asked Michael a lawful question. The terms lawful question and lawful order seem to have been misconstrued here. What constitutes a lawful order is when a police officer can legally issue and enforce a command that will not render you liable to any criminal, civil, or disciplinary action. A lawful question doesn't exist, as no one can compel speech. Anything you say to a law enforcement officer will only be used against you and others. Keep in mind that lying to a government official is a crime, but remaining silent until you consult with a lawyer is not. The idea that Michael would have to answer a question solely because an officer asked it shows how broken policing in America is, especially coming from a supervisor. This incident is teaching all the other officers on scene that freedom doesn't exist under the authority of the state. This is further compounded by the sergeant telling Michael that he cannot loiter on the sidewalk, because Michael had a legitimate purpose for being there, and the state's loitering in a public place laws are specific to obtaining or distributing controlled dangerous substances, which Michael was not a part of. The officers push Michael 20 feet down the sidewalk to the entrance of his property.
You're going on Facebook today?
Sounds good.
Okay. You want to say hi to them? You guys are ridiculous, man.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
You guys got nothing else to do. How many people? How many police cars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Wow. You guys are ridiculous, man.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you for not shooting me, though. Thank you for not killing me, though. Because that's what you're known for. Bothering people and end up shooting them, right? Look at you. Look at you. You think you're handsome, right? You guys are ridiculous, man. Loitering on a corner. What a bunch of idiots, man. 4 cars. How many police cars? 4 cars. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 police. Just because somebody's standing on a corner. Damn, what a damn shame, man. Yeah, that's the story of my life right here. I'm on the corner waiting for a cab. Here they come. 12 of them. I'm glad I didn't get killed today. But I'm posting this on Facebook today. Bunch of losers.
You know that something is exceptionally wrong when common behaviors are criminalized. There is nothing American about this video, aside from its location. Michael does not have a YouTube channel, but his other videos can be found on his Facebook page, which I will link below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other good hoodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.